Okay, hear me out. But this is one of the coolest pieces of wood that I came across. Because it was used on this barn that was, I believe, in 1920s. So it's about, a little over 100 years old. And this is the coolest piece that I came across. Just, yeah. I haven't seen one like this yet. Because I'm sorting through it. And we are going to save them because they're going to be used for birdhouses and I believe picnic bench. But yeah, really old wood. Survived a long time.